At Core Architects, we design with purpose, innovation, and sustainability. We focus on user-centered solutions which marry both aesthetics and function. For this project, we drew inspiration from nature and combined natural stones from Antolini to create a warm and welcoming space. So what we did here was we carefully selected these beautiful slabs from Antolini, which has earthy tones and interesting textures for this soothing space. We believe these stones from Antolini really enhances our design concept.
So we have been using natural stones from Antolini since Hafary brought into Singapore some years ago, and we have never looked back. This Italian producer has really unique pieces that range from marble to granites and quartzites. So we wanted to celebrate the beauty of natural materials in its many colors and forms. We imagine this good class bungalow to be the homes of a successful couple who hosts frequent gatherings. So we kept the design simple and understated, accentuated only by the natural patterns of the stone from Antolini. We wanted to showcase how versatile natural stones can be when different varieties are placed together in an interior, and how they complement other materials like wood, metal, and fabric.
At ssplusd, we feel that art affects our life in many different ways. Every object can potentially become a form of art, and for our design concept, we took this artistic philosophy to heart. We see the home as a living gallery. We feel deeply inspired by the natural beauty of this marble stamp from Antolini. The wavy pattern of the silver stream marble reminds us of a river, and we especially like how the Amazonite has a green hue that reminds us of beautiful jade pieces. We are always very delighted to work with Hafary and often see the homegrown brand as a market leader and a learning example. Not only have they been provided us a very wide range of options, they also have leading the design trend, constantly updating their product range. It inspires us as designers to have a more creative way of approaching interior design.